How to sign in Claude AI account. Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Viz. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Claude AI account. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Google Chrome on your PC. Now after that, at the top search box, type in Claude.ai. Now you will be directed to the login page. You can sign in Claude AI account using your Google or your email. I will be signing in using my email. Now after entering the email, tap on continue with email. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. So open a new tab and open Gmail and tap on the login link. Now again simply tap on sign in to Claude.ai. Now you will be signed in to Claude AI account. So this is how to sign in Claude AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.